Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, we're gonna compare these two video AI generation tool called D-ID and HeyGen. So first things first, of course, you need to create an account. One of each has a free trial if for new accounts. I think for D-ID, you have 20 credits for new accounts. And for HeyGen, for new account holders, there's a limit of 1 minute creation. So just use your Gmail and make sure you have access to that Gmail because they're gonna send a verification code. And it will start. So on D-ID, this should be your landing page. And the first thing that I notice is, of course, the color. For me personally, I like D-ID's color more. It looks more professional, looks more pleasing. It screams professionalism rather than HeyGen. HeyGen's like a kid, a UI. It's like a game for kids. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but by the two, D-ID looks better. So let's dive into the creation of video. Let's try D-ID first. So in here, the second thing I notice is if I upload a famous photo, for example, a famous person photo, I think they're gonna detect it, or I think they removed that one. There you go. Image violation detected. It seems that you're trying to upload a famous figure image, which is not according to our content guidelines. So that's one thing on D-ID, which is good. They remove that thing. Remove any famous celebrity, famous person, because you can use that to um, ruin their career, say something bad about them, something like that. On HeyGen, let's try it out. Go to avatar right here, and then talking photo right there. Okay, these are my sample photos over here. Now, if I create a video right here, create a video over there. Now, this should be my photo. Let's try uploading a new one, okay? Let's go back right here. It looks a little bit one. That's the second thing I noticed about it. HeyGen is a bit more slower than D-ID. Let's try uploading something here. Okay, give me a second here. Try Elon Musk right there. Let's try if he had the face detection photo. And it does not. So Elon Musk is available on HeyGen. So that's the difference. Second difference I think goes to HeyGen, point to HeyGen, because if you notice this one, you can create PowerPoint presentation using HeyGen with your avatar. That being said, let's try to remove this preset one and put Elon Musk over there. I'm gonna try this one again, copy, and paste it right here. So you can use Elon Musk as a presenter on this PowerPoint presentation. However, on D-ID, it doesn't have that option. You only have the specific talking photo and you only have a specific portrait, size, landscape, something like that. On HeyGen, you have different kinds of landscapes, moreover, an editing software for HeyGen. The only different thing about HeyGen and D-ID, the most noticeable one, is of course the image detector and this PowerPoint presentation option. That being said, personally, I love HeyGen more. It has more features, even though I said earlier that it looks more on the kids stuff or it doesn't look professional. Based on the feature talking about it, it's better than D-ID. That being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.